Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Jeep Wrangler hardtop by yourself. Start by parking level, engaging the brake, and disconnecting the battery to stay safe. Remove latches, lift rear panels, and detach wiring slowly. Use a helper strap or stand the panels vertically to prevent damage. Take photos of bolt locations to speed reassembly. I'll walk you through each step with clear tips and safety reminders for confidence. Before you lift anything, set up a safe workspace with soft padding and 2 stable sawhorses or tall chairs. Remove loose items from the cabin and unlock latches so the top moves freely. Keep your phone handy for reference photos and use bolt bags labeled by panel location to avoid confusion. I'll explain quick checks for wiring and seal condition so you don't trap cables or damage seals when you separate panels. Work systematically from rear to front, unbolting and unlatching each section while supporting corners. Lift panels straight up with smooth, even motion, and use a helper strap or 2-person lift if panels feel heavy. Check for hidden wiring connectors and gently unplug them before fully separating pieces. Store panels vertically on a soft surface to maintain shape and prevent scratches, and keep hardware organized for a faster reinstallation later.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.